Hello, my friends. We have a nice question here. If x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3, then what is the answer for this expression here? In order to solve this, we're going to play with the first equation on top. So we have this equation x plus 1 over x equals to the square root of 3. So I'm going to square two sides of this equation. So this gives us x to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1x multiplied by x plus 1 over x to the power of 2 equals to the square root of 3 to the power of 2, which will be which will be 3. So here these two cancel each other, and we're gonna have x2 plus 1 over x2. The 2 will go to the other side, so this will be equal to 1. So we have this equation here, and I'm gonna use this somewhere else. We're gonna do the same with power of 3. So x plus 1 over x to the power of 3 is equal to the square root of 3 to the power of 3. So this gives us x3 plus 1 over x3 plus 3x2 1 over x plus 3x 1 over x2 equals to 3 square root of 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 square root of 3. So here again, this x will be cancelled with one of these x's here, and the same here, this x is going to be cancelled with one of the x's here. So in total we're going to have x3 plus 1 over x3 plus 3x plus 3 1 over x equals to 3 square root of 3. So 3 is common in both of these. So here we're going to have x3 plus 1 over x to the power of 3 plus, I'm going to take 3 out. It will give us x plus 1 over x equals to 3 square root of 3. As per equation number 1, here we know that x plus 1 over x is equal to square root of 3. So this term is square root of 3, and in total we're going to have 3 square root of 3 on both sides. So these two cancel each other. So from here we're going to have x to the power of 3 plus 1 over x to the power of 3 is equal to 0. If I multiply both sides of this equation on x3, this gives us x to the power of 6 plus 1 equals to 0. It means that x to the power of 6 is equal to minus 1. I'm going to use this equation somewhere else. So according to the main question. So we want to find what is the value of this equation here. First, we're going to find out what is the value of x to the power of 100. So x to the power of 100, instead of 100, I can write 102 minus 2. And if we have a to the power of n minus m, we can write this as a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m. So here I can write x to the power of 102 divided by x to the power of 2. And now instead of 102, we can write 6 multiplied by 17. And here we have x2. This can be written as x to the power of 6 to the power of 17 divided by x2. And we all know that x to the power of 6 is equal to minus 1. So here we're going to have minus 1 to the power of 17 divided by x2. Minus 1 to the power of 17 is minus 1. And here we have x2. I'm going to divide these two sections and make a line so we don't confuse here. Okay, so back into the main question. We want to find x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100. What is the value? But we know that x to the power of 100 is equal to minus 1 to the power of minus 1 over x2. So here we're going to have, instead of this term, we're going to have 1 over minus 1 over x2 plus, instead of this term, we're going to have 1 over x to the power of 100 is minus 1 divided by x2. This equals to, the first term has no changes, minus 1 to the power divided by x2 plus the second term, here we have 1 far by far, here by here. So this gives us x2, or to be specific, minus x2 equal to, both of these has minus. I'm going to take the minus out. It will be minus 1 by 1 over x2 plus x2. But we know that x2 plus 1 over x2 is equal to 1. So this is going to be minus 1 multiply. So this term is 1. 1 is equal to minus 1. So that's the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.